friends and family who wanted us to get back to the Netherlands. Here we are!
We are
Welcome
here.
to Nederland!
Bulldogs, it's an orange lion. What kind of flags do they have? Amsterdam soccer team and Amsterdam. Well, that was a nice small museum. The lady in there didn't speak Dutch. But she had a lot of information for us and it was kind of cute because she told everything like 2 times. It was an older lady, but still nice to hear her stories.
The museum is one part about the Dutch heritage, but the most part about the Dutch settlers who settled and built Nederland here in Texas.
And the other part is the French cottage.
Oh yeah?
Because they didn't have enough workers when they settled down here to do the work.
Farmland.
And
Cattle.
then the French Cajun people came here and they did all the work.
Please subscribe.
Oh, I made a bit of a mistake because it's not the French from France, but are the French from Canada that came and work here. That makes more sense. And this behind me is like the needle and there is a reflection pool and a battleship, so check it out with us. And there is the battleship. Unfortunately, you can't get in now because they're working on the inside of the ship. But otherwise, you can take a tour for $10 a person. Well, welcome to Houston. If you first approach the city, you see all kind of factories. But hopefully the city is nicer. This is Smitter Park.
Smithers!
With a lot of mosaic.
In Houston, Texas.
Whoop whoop! This is such a cool place to go to, guys. If you are near Houston or in Houston, you definitely need to go here. It's a little bit outside of downtown, but it's worth it. And they're still working on a couple of projects to improve it. And I think it's pretty awesome here.
And free.
And free, of course.
Zo, voor Friends. Ja, het staat er niet op, hoor. Ja, bijna. Ja, zo ja. Ja, dat is het. Ja hoor.
Ja, ga maar verder.
Oké. Zo, voor Friends. Ja?
Ja, ga maar. Ai, that sounded bad. It were no slaves. They wanted to work here. If I can believe the stories. Usually you can get in,